Alright guys, so we're going to be installing some headlights on a 2016 Honda Pilot. Unlike these newer cars where it already comes with the LED bulbs, this one unfortunately still doesn't come with the LED bulbs, so we're going to be switching it out. I ordered these on Amazon. It should be a pretty simple install, plug and play. Pop the hood, and the lever should be like right here on the left side, and it goes up. Before I do that, let me show you guys the output. So right here's the output. This is terrible. You can see the daytime running light. It's LED and halogen. Yeah, you can't see anything with that. First thing we're gonna do, Honda kind of likes to make it a little bit difficult at times. Right here's the headlight, but you can't access it because it has all this plastic trim around it. You are gonna have to push it out because it's underneath this, and of course the air intake tube is going to be in the way. So you kind of just pop it up, and you can see right here you're going to be sliding it sideways and then popping it upwards, and you're going to do that all throughout the whole plastic piece. It's going to be really simple though, it doesn't take too long. Once you remove the plastic piece, set it up over there, and then it's going to have two little pop-up clips. You can grab a flathead, or you could use your keys or nails, and it pops right up. There we go. And I know you guys aren't probably watching this performance wise, but I could tell this is a really good engineered thing because it grabs all the air coming from right over here, these little vents down here, and the air goes through here all the way into the air box and into the engine. Really well executed design. Probably a lot of money went into just engineering this little part right here. I wish my car had that, and that's kind of like a sporty performance car, but I'm surprised this car actually has this. Next thing you're going to do is just kind of twist it outwards and pop it out just like that. You could do it with one hand. Two hands is a lot easier. That also gives you space for the battery. Pretty brand new battery. We just got the car not too long ago, but it gives you some room to work on some other stuff in case you want to check some wiring. That should be the thermostat sensor, and right there's your starter as well. So gives you a lot of room to do it, a lot more stuff. This is a running light, I believe. I already forgot. So this is a running light, follow it. And it's gonna be the far right. All you're gonna do is grab it and twist it. Sometimes it could be very stubborn, but you could get it out. I turned it on one more time just to show you guys, not too bright. And please don't make the mistake I did. I turned it on and this thing is pretty hot in there. And all you're gonna do is grab the clip and then you push it downwards where the clip is right there, and then you pull this out. It's very hard to do with big hands like me, but you got smaller hands, it makes it a lot easier. So all we're gonna do is get the new one. So this is the old one. This is the new one, comes with this, and it actually comes with gloves. So in case you wanna use those gloves and not get your hands dirty. I actually wanted to save those gloves for later because they are white. Don't want to get them dirty. So we're going to plug these in and we're going to compare them. As you can see, the LED one's a lot bigger, but same connection. Old one. And I usually don't throw away the old ones. I just keep them just in case for some reason the LED ones burn out, which they normally don't. Sorry for not really recording it. It's just such a tight spot. But some of these have reverse polarity, which what does that mean? It means when you connect it a certain way, if it doesn't turn on, you pop it back out and then you flip it over and connect it that way. And then it usually works like that. And look at that, it's working super bright. Let's compare them. New one, old one. And I actually bought a restoration kit for these headlights, which I'm gonna be doing a separate video on in case you guys want to see that. It's by 3M. And it's a really simple way of doing it. I think it costed me like $6. And it's really simple, just two little wipes and some sanding, and you get brand new headlights. Once again, very tight squeeze, so it's kind of hard to show you guys, but all you do is put it back in there and then you turn it clockwise and it tightens. You don't have to do it all crazy, not use a lot of force. You don't want to break any of the clips. And now you kind of have this hanging. And the kit does come with some zip ties in case you want to use zip ties, which I think it'll be good. Or you know what, I am gonna I'm just gonna tuck it. I'm not gonna use any zip ties. And then we're gonna replicate that to this side.